How to upload video on Google Drive and then share its link. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can upload a video in Google Drive and then share its link. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up your web browser, and your web browser should be fine, and then search for Google Drive. After you search for Google Drive, open up the link and then simply head over there. Make sure that you're logged into your Google Drive, and after you're on your drive, all you have to do is tap on new to create a folder. Now if you don't want to create a folder, it's completely alright. You can directly upload it right here as well. I'll just create a folder and I'll just upload a video inside it. Now to upload a video, what you'll have to do is you can tap on this new option and upload a file from here, or you can simply drag and drop a file here as well. So let me just do that. So here are my videos and I'll just drag this and drop it here. Now as you can see right here, this might take some time depending on your internet speed to upload the video. So wait while it uploads, and after it uploads, you can simply share it by tapping on this three dots on the right and then tap on this share option and then copy the link, or you can share it via email as well. So there you will see this share option. Tap on the share option and then you can share it via email. Now that's completely up to you. Now you can share this very link to whomever you want in your chat or through any social media or any way that you want to. And that is how you can upload a video in Google Drive and then share its link. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.